Hi friends, good evening to all. Okay, welcome to AI with Durga Sir. Just for
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay,
5 minutes.
sir. In the last sessions, we had clear clarity. We discussed very well about just the first two types of reasoning prompt techniques we covered. COT. What is the meaning of COT?
Chain of thoughts.
Chain of thoughts. Chain of thoughts. Step by step thinking. Okay, chain of thoughts, step by step thinking is by default we covered, right? Okay, if those reasoning steps, if manually, if we are giving in the prompt, such type of prompt is called what? Manual COT. If you are giving the chance, if you are giving the chance to the AI model, can you please generate the reasoning steps? Then we can use the what it is auto COT. Okay, these two things we covered well. Okay, but anyway, so before providing final answer, can you please show your reasoning steps? That's about my requirement. Of course, sometimes you may provide reasoning steps on your own, or sometimes you will give the chance to the AI model to generate those reasoning steps. Okay, don't jump to the answer directly. Can you please show reasoning steps so that I can understand? Next, you want to do any mistakes, because step by step reasoning thinking is going to be happen. Then automatically there is no chance of mistakes. The chance of mistakes is going to be reduced like anything. Yes, this is wonderful concept what we had. Now there is another reasoning technique I want to tell for you people. Okay, what is this one? Is reflection. Yes, anyone can you please spell out what this reasoning technique?
Reflection.
And then of course just aware the words. Don't worry about that. Just aware. Tomorrow if I'm using this word, you should not feel that something new. Okay, and then we require to talk about self-consistency prompting. Self-consistency. What is that? Anyone? Self-consistency. Okay, reflection is one type of reasoning prompting technique. Next, self-consistency is another type of reasoning technique. Next, and after that, we require to talk about TOT. What is the TOT?
Tree of thoughts.
Tree of thoughts.
Tree of thoughts.
Tree of thoughts. Tree of thoughts. Okay. Tree having what? Tree ke untai?
Leaves, branches.
Branches.
Stems.
Leaves.
So first level, what things will be there? Branches will be there. For the branches, leaves will be there. So we are not required to worry about leaves level. Tree has branches. Remember that. Okay. So branch based decision making is by default considered as what? Tree of thoughts. Okay, TOT. And then there is another thing is also there. COH is there. Step back is there. Like all these things in detail we are going to discuss. Believe me, all these things are purely nursery level concepts. You are not required to worry at all. Okay. So, but anyway, let me come to our story. Okay, reflection prompting, and slowly, just in the next 1 or 2 days, I will discuss about these things next in a couple of days. Reflection prompting. Yesterday, I had a discussion about this concept. Just I introduced the terminology. Even I covered an example also for you people there. Suppose you wrote an exam. Suppose you are writing an exam. Assume that. So maybe BTech semester exam, or otherwise intermediate public exam or 10th class public exam. Maybe anyway you are writing an exam. Your teacher, your father is always going to tell, right? After completing exam paper, don't submit that exam paper to the invigilator. Immediately don't submit. What you require to do?
Recheck.
Review. Okay, review each and every question what you wrote. Have you wrote properly or not? Okay, anything missing? any corrections are required? Like, can you please review? Okay, once a reviewer, yes, everything is perfect, then only hand over that. If there is anywhere some small corrections are there, yes, correct that, so that improved version, can you please hand over to the invigilator? Correct, right? This is called what? Review before submitting the question paper answer sheet to the examiner. Can you please review your answer sheet? This is what review. Okay, in AI terminology, this review is called the reflection. Is it clear for you people, right? In AI terminology, that review is by default considered what? Reflection. Okay. So first AI model, can you please generate solution for this? Provide the answer. But after providing the answer, can you please check again for any corrections are there? Anything is missing? For any corrections are there? So like, can you please recheck again? Check again. If any corrections are there, can you please do that? If anything is missing, can you please add that? And then, so can you please provide improved version, improved answer again? Okay, like that. So this type of prompting is by default considered as what? Reflection prompting. Remember this. So reflection means it will generate answer. First generate the answer, and then check your answer for improvement. Check your answer, review your answer for improvement. Next, after reviewing, can you please provide improved answer, improved version of answer again? This type of thing is by default considered reflection prompting. Theoretically, are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Layman terminology. Any doubt
Yes,
or any
sir.
discussion is required? Forget about program. Forget about prompting. That prompt concept I will discuss for you people, right? Okay. Just let me put these 2 or 3 words into the notes style, so that tomorrow if you want to review, then obviously it should be helpful for you people, right? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Just a matter of 2 or 3 minutes, right? Okay. Here, see this one. What is the prompting? What is the sir, what's the name? I forgot. Anyone can you please remind once?
Reflection prompt.
Reflection.
I can't
Reflection
remember the
prompting.
words that might easily print.
Reflection prompting.
Reflection prompting. Okay, like sir, here reflection prompting, it means reflection prompting. Prompting means sir, asking AI to first generate answer. Can you please generate answer first? Can you generate answer? Okay, like that. Next, first generate answer. Then review its own answer. Then review its own answer. Next, find mistakes are weak points. Find mistakes are weak points anywhere. If it is any mistakes are there, any point not covered clearly, any weak points are there. Okay, find that. Next, improve it. Okay, like that. Next, give final approved answer. Is it clear, right? Same thing only. This thing is by default considered as reflection prompting. Reflection prompting means first it will generate the answer, and then review its AI model has to review its own answer for mistakes or weak points, and then it's going to improve, and finally it's going to provide final approved answer. This thing is by default considered as reflection prompting. Remember this one, sir. So in simple terminology, in simple words, I can use the word. In simple words, I can use. So just very here. Can you please think? And then can you please check? Think and then check. Okay, like, and then after checking, can you please improve? Okay, like think, check, improve. This type of thing. So just analogy also let me put, so that you people can understand very easily tomorrow. It is like a student. It is like a student writing. It's like a student writing an exam answer an exam answer, and then rechecking, before submitting, Okay, like that. Yeah. If this line is there, so that you can easily remember the terminology. Any doubt or any explanation is required? Respond, friends.
No, sir.
Clear for you
Continue.
people, right?
No, sir.
Yes. This is what is the, if any person is asking, can you please define what is reflection prompting? You should be in a position to give left and right to that person. Okay. Next, here, what advantages are there? What advantages? What advantages are there? Yes, advantages. So, can I use the word increase accuracy or not? Is it going to increase accuracy or not?
Yes, sir.
Respond, friends. So, in the COT, I mean, either manual or auto, just it's going to provide final answer. With the reasoning steps, it's going to provide final answer. You are not telling, can you please review your answer again? No, just okay. According to these steps, can you please generate and then submit? That's all. Okay, can you please recheck again your answer? Such type of terminology is not there. Okay, like in COT. So, when compared with the COT, this one is going to be more accurate. Okay, here the second one here is reduces wrong answers. Reduces wrong answers. Next, improve quality of output. Of course, all these words is the same talks about improve quality of the output. Quality of the output. Okay, like that. Next, if you consider become confident in decisions. Become confident in decisions like that. Yes, this is. So, these type of advantages are there. So, where we are going to use, okay, this reflection prompting, I will explain. After this, any doubt or any explanation is required? Can you
No,
please
sir.
confirm?
No,
In
sir.
the
Clear.
last point,
Clear, sir.
yes, sir.
In the last
But
point,
then-
you said become confident in decisions. Is that the user
Decisions,
become
because
the user or the AI model becoming
user.
Okay.
Because the reason for that is AI is cross-checking again, right?
Right. Okay.
That's why. So double check is there. That's why. Okay. Now simple real world use cases, right? Okay. Where we have this type of requirements, just documentation check. Beyond that, nothing, sir. So business planning. Of course, I will give multiple examples on this concept. Sir, next, career decisions. Career decisions. Next, financial analysis. Financial analysis. Legal, okay, client proposals. So, can you please prepare proposal? Draft version is ready. And then recheck again. Recheck again. Okay, like that. Next, and then recheck again, like that. So, client proposal. Next, startup ideas. Validation. Okay, like that. These type of cases, happily, you can go for reflection prompting. That's it. What is just a simple documentation? What is the meaning of reflection prompting? Where you can use, what advantages are there? Okay. If you feel comfortable, I'm ready to go for a small chota example first. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So to understand the concept, in reality, how it's going to do, review, these kind of things. Some multiple examples we will discuss. Just let me hit the first low level example. Example 1. Okay, let me type this example clear, because so that you will get clarity instead of copy paste. Okay, at least one example. So solve this step. Okay, I'm taking a small mathematics problem. Assume it's a mathematics problem. Solve this step. Solve this problem. Step by step. Solve this problem step by step. Okay, a shopkeeper, okay, buys an item for 500 rupees. A shopkeeper buys an item for 500 rupees and sells it for 650 rupees. And sells it for 650 rupees. Find the output percentage. Find the profit percentage. Find the profit percentage. Okay, like, sir, it is something like a COT kind of thing. Solve this problem step by step, step by step. Okay, so a shop buys an item for 500 rupees and sells it. So this is, can I use the word, is it auto COT? Up to this,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
is it auto COT or not? Okay,
Yes,
while
sir.
solve this problem, auto COT. Now, after solving, now the reflection will start in the picture. After solving, okay, like, after solving, now review your answer carefully. Review your answer carefully. Review your answer carefully. Okay. Check if calculation is correct or not. Check if calculation. Check if calculation is correct. Check if calculation is correct. Next, if any mistake, correct it. If any mistake, correct it. If any mistake is there, can you please correct it? Next, give, okay, give final corrected answer clearly. Okay, give final corrected answer clearly. Yeah. Just simply by simply saying this prompt, can I use the word? It is sir, reflection prompting or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It is a reflection, bro.
Yes, friends. Just by simply saying, you can tell it's the reflection prompting. How you can conclude it's the reflection prompting?
We have written review your
Review,
carefully.
okay.
Yes, after generating answer, again you are asking to review and provide again final corrected answer. Okay, like, can I run this prompt? Any doubt about this one? So now practically you people are seeing what is the meaning of
No.
reflection prompt at very top level. At very top level, basic idea say I'm taking this example, friends. Okay.
You said
Now,
3047 to 3049 as auto COT, but we are not adding any line like analyze the situation deeply like that. But how come it becomes auto COT without adding that line?
solve this problem step by
Okay.
step. Okay. Solve this problem step by step. Are you getting?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Now, here observe a bit carefully. Yeah, it's already there. Yeah. Can you please have a look once? It's going to provide answer, and then review also is going to be happen. Let's solve step by step. Okay. Identify cost price and selling price. CP 500, SP 650. Sir, find the profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Profit is 650 minus 500 means 150. Step 3, find profit percentage. Profit percentage means profit by CP into 100. Okay, like, sir, 150 by 500 into 100. Now calculate 150 by 500 into 0.3. 0.3 into 100 means 30%. So here, what is the profit percentage we have? Respond. What is the profit percentage we got?
30%. sir.
30%. Yes, here observe. Either 3 steps, step by step, reasoning steps. Is it there or not? The person
Yes,
who
sir.
asked, sir, it's a auto COT, how you can conclude? Sir, am I provided these steps? Am I provided these steps? No. Who generated these steps?
Yeah.
Yeah.
sir.
AI model, reasoning steps got generated. Now observe the cinema. Here review and check again. So profit calculation means, sir, profit calculation 650 minus 500 means 150. Percentage calculation 150 by 500 into 100, 0.3 into 100, its value is the 30%. No mistake found. Final answer is profit percentage is the 30%. Okay, of course, in this scenario, mistake is not there because it is simple calculation, right? Array, that simple calculation also, if AI model is going to do the mistake, I will give left and right. Just for process sake, for flow sake, I'm telling this one.
Sir, even if we don't want to give step by step, correct?
Yeah.
Because it is going to
No
review the
problem.
answer, it is going to correct it.
No issue. We can.
Oh.
Okay. So this is what you people should aware about reflection prompting.
So AI is going to review it, or we are going to.
We are not
tell
reviewing. AI itself is going to review. Who is asking, Jyoti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, AI only. I'm not reviewing, right? Am I doing any? Just I told that. Can you please review your answer? You are provided answer again. and then provide final corrected answer. Then who is reviewing that? It's already part of the prompt. AI itself is the responsible to review. Sometimes what will happen here? While providing the answers, it may miss something. It may not consider some combinations. Of course, I will show that. Don't worry. It may not consider some combinations. Then automatically, yes, oh, I missed this calculation. I missed this. That's why let me do it again. And this is the final corrected version like that. Sometimes may be possible. But here small, normal, a small aptitude problem. What the mistake will be there. That's why no mistake found. Yes, answer is perfect. Clear, right?
Right. So is it always going to show its first answer to the user?
Exactly. Answer, show the answer, give the answer, and then review, and then give the final answer. If you have such type of model, then only it is treated as a reflection prompting.
But if it is wrong, whether it will recalculate and show the new
Correct
steps
answer.
again.
And the new steps, maybe it's going to show. Yeah.
Unable to
Okay.
say, okay, sir. So, suppose whatever the result came is wrong, it is reviewing. Okay, it is found
Reviewing.
that
At the time of review, here observe that in our output, it has showed our data.
it showed because it is correct, so we didn't regenerate
Whether it's the correct or whether it's the wrong, yes, it's going to show clear analysis. That is what reasoning. Reasoning means each and everything it is going to show in front of you.
Okay, so we can add one extra line. Na? If it is wrong, okay, during review, if we find if it is wrong, then regenerate the corrected answer step by step. That means
you can do that. You can, of course, by default it's going to generate. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, could you please what is that negative scenario, sir? If it is mistake found,
Yeah,
right?
We'll cover. Don't worry. We'll cover. Don't worry. Just the idea sake. Okay. What is reflection prompting? So just for idea sake, this is the smallest example I took. Clear, right? Okay. Next. Let me go for another example. Any doubt up to this? Only doubt is, can you where is the correction? Where is missing something? Then in the improved version correction is there. Can it be shown? Except that all the remaining is clear, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Next, let me go for one more example. Okay, this example not required to copy paste. I hope. Okay, sir. In this example, you people are seeing. Okay, 1 minute. In this example, you people are seeing. Okay, solve, reflect, correct if needed. Okay, we are forcing the AI. Can you please solve? Can you please solve, reflect, and provide the final corrected answer? Are you seeing, right? By seeing the process itself, we can conclude it the reflection prompt. Okay, like that. So now let me go for another example so that you can get much clarity. 1 minute. Okay, second example. Not required to.
Sir, where are we going to upload all these? I mean, use all these prompts in the real time scenario?
Agentic AI.
Okay, as I told you, like in the compilers.
Agentic AI, next level agents we are going to build, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like here all these things matter a lot.
And what was prompt engineering, sir?
What then?
In prompting also you could use prompt engineering?
Prompt engineering is job is this one only, right? Okay. Writing the prompts, effective prompts.
Yes.
Suppose my requirement is, I have, my team is there. Array, can you please generate generative AI material for my students? This is the prompt you require to use. These are the 20 topics are there. Wherever topic is there, just replace this topic and generate the material. I will write the prompt. I will hand over to my team. My team is the responsible to generate complete material and hand over to me.
So in real time, you are going to get some document format like this. We're going to read and then going to write like this.
Definitely.
Okay, got it. Yeah, thank you.
Compulsory. The prompting, who is the responsible? We are.
Prompting versioning also unnam sir.
Sir, how do we get the requirement?
Can you repeat?
How do we get the requirement to write the prompt in this way only?
Very simple. The people who are working in real time, can you please confirm you are using GitHub Copilot? You are writing the prompt to generate the code.
Yes, sir.
You are writing the requirement.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. High level document is there. High level requirement document is there. Low level requirement document is there. From the low level required document, this is the code we require to generate. This is the functionality I'm expecting. Then based on that, we are going to write the prompt to generate the code.
Yeah, nowadays that is
Requirement
also
documents
not
are there,
there.
right?
Now everything is done into user stories. So BS will give the requirements. So developers need to understand that requirement and write it that in a little technical to Copilot.
Yes.
So until they get the right code, they have to read out multiple times.
Keep on.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that is
Are
what we have to do.
are we asking LLM?
Are we asking?
Are we asking LLM also the writing
LLM?
the LLM for writing the prompts?
Yes, we can ask. That is what meta prompting. I will write a prompt to generate prompts.
Okay.
I will write the prompt to generate prompts. That concept is called meta prompting.
Okay.
Yes, we can do that. Why we have to do on our own? Okay, even tomorrow prompt optimization I'm going to discuss. My life is going to be simplified by LLM only, by AI model only. Okay? Yeah. Just have a look once about example 2, friends. Here, this example is there. Okay. So now have a look once. Suggest a pricing strategy for an AI freelancing beginner. Suggest a pricing strategy for an AI freelancing beginner. After giving the strategy, reflect on possible risks. Identify weak assumptions. Suggest improvements. Give refined final strategy. Can I use the word by simply saying this? Is it a reflection prompt or not?
Yes, sir. The refined final stage 4 point.
Yes, friend. Is it a reflection prompt or not?
Yes, sir.
Can you please
First point
pricing
also.
strategy? Yeah, pricing strategy for an AI freelancing beginner. Okay, so I want to do, because I'm learning AI, I want to do freelancing. Okay, how much price I require to keep? Can you please provide the strategy, pricing strategy for an AI freelancing beginner? It's very helpful for you people. Okay, if you are working as a freelancer, okay, this prompt is going to be very helpful. After giving the strategy, reflect on possible risks, identify weak assumptions, suggest improvements, give refined final strategy. Okay, like that. Now have a look once. Can I run?
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends.
Sir.
Okay.
Oh, sir, where here? Sorry. So where here we have mentioned review the answer.
Reflect. After giving the strategy, can you please? After giving the strategy, can you please do the remaining activities?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Can you please observe that? Durga, let us think practically for an AI freelancing. Okay, beginner. A beginner should not think like expert. First goal is portfolio plus a trust, not money. Wow, what a wonderful, AI model is going to tell. You are just a beginner. Practically AI freelancing beginner. What is the meaning of AI freelancing beginner?
Writing agents.
Like
okay, freelancing, AI related freelancing activity I'm doing. Okay, maybe writing agent or otherwise maybe writing prompts, something like that. Okay, if I keep my profile in the freelancer net, okay, I require so and so requirement is there. Anyone, can you please write the prompt? Even writing the prompt is also okay. It's one type of service. Okay, what you require to do if you are doing first time, because beginner, right? Don't worry much about money. Just we require to concentrate about trust. Okay, so this thing only at the beginning only want to provide. Have you observed, right? So Durga, a beginner should not think like expert. First goal is portfolio plus a trust, not money. Okay, step 1, basic pricing strategy for AI freelancing beginner. Stage 1, entry phase, first 2 to 3 months. Okay, goal, okay, get projects plus reviews. Get project plus reviews. So prompt writing, Yes, offer small services. Now observe this, very helpful for you people. Tomorrow, if you were sorry, I don't want that. Okay, by mistake, if any problem with your jobs, then this type of freelancing activities, happily you can do that. Prompt writing, chatbot setup, simple automation, resume AI tools. Okay, resume AI tools, change low, charge low but not free. Charge low but not free. Next, suggested price. Okay, 800 rupees to 2000 per small task, $10 to 25 on international platforms. Why? Sir, too cheap, no respect. If you are keeping very cheap, then there is no respect. Too high, no projects. That's fine. So what you require to do is just a medium pricing you require to take. Okay. Next, skill validation phase. Skill validation phase. After 5 to 10 projects. Sir, this is beginning entry level, first 2 to 3 months. Next, after 5 to 10 projects, okay, now you have 5+ reviews, 2 to 3 strong portfolio samples are there, increased price, 3,000 to 8,000 per project or $50 to $120 per project. Start offering end-to-end chatbot, API integration, mini rack system, AI workflow automation. Okay, like now the next level, these are the activities, happily you can do that. Okay, next specialist positioning after 6 months. After 6 months, now position as AI automation consultant, prompt engineering specialist, AI workflow builder. Wow, what a wonderful man. AI workflow builder. Now you can charge 15,000 to 50,000 per project. Monthly retainers are 25,000 plus. Okay, like stop selling time, start selling results. Stop selling time, start selling results. Example, instead of I will build chatbot, say I will reduce your support workload by 40% using AI. Wow. I hope everyone in the position to understand, friends.
Understanding.
Yes, sir. Fantastic one.
Prompt is not important. The response what is provided is very important for us. Sir, after completing this AI, what I have to do? Can you please guide me? I'm not required to guide. My ChatGPT is guiding clearly how much price you require to take, what activities you require to do. Next, so what kind of services you have to take? Why? Strategy, beginner pricing strategy. Clearly it is telling, sir. Okay. Now observe that. Okay. Next, reflect on possible risks. Yeah. So this total thing is answer. Correct, right? Strategy. Any doubt about this one? So basic pricing strategy for AI freelancing beginner. So is the answer got generated or not?
Generated.
First answer or final answer?
First answer.
Up to this, whatever we covered, is the first answer or final answer?
First answer. It need to review.
Excellent. Now what is the my AI model is going to do what?
Review.
Review,
Reflection.
reflect. Okay. Now here see this one. Yes, it's completed. Right? Now reflect on possible risks. Risk 1, underpricing for too long. Underpricing for too long. You may get stuck in cheap client trap. If you are keeping very less price for too long, you may get stuck in cheap client trap. Okay, like that. So overconfidence pricing. Risk 2, charging high without proof, no clients at all. This is the second risk. So next, no niche focus. General AI freelancer means commodity pricing, not at all recommended. This is also risk. Next, scope creep. Client adds extra work without extra payment. Okay, like these are the 4 possible risks. Reflect on possible risks. Okay, weak assumptions in the above strategy. Yes, what? Assumes beginner can get projects easily. Assume market demand exists locally. Assume freelancer knows sales. Assume skills are practical, not just theoretical. Okay, all these are assumptions, weak assumptions in the strategy. Okay, these may not be true always. Improvements needed. Okay, which improvements needed? Choose a niche early. Okay, niche early. Real estate AI automation, or edtech AI tools, or HR automation. Next, HR value-based pricing model. Okay, use value-based pricing model instead of charging per hour. Charge per business outcome. Next, offer 3 pricing tiers: basic, pro, premium. Okay, example, basic 3,000, pro means 7,000, premium means 15,000. This increases perceived value. Always take 50% advance. Okay, like so. Some improvements, is it doing or not? Respond. Based on the
Yes, sir.
response.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Some
yes.
improvements or not for my earlier strategy. Now observe refined final strategy. Okay, phase 1, 0 to 3 months, pick one niche. Okay, education AI tools. Anyway, you have to select your niche. Okay, sir, I'm specialist in education AI tools, tech AI tools, or otherwise real estate, or otherwise okay, HR management AI tools. Like offer 3 fixed packages. Price is slightly lower than market. Focus on testimonials. Okay, like that. Sir, phase 2, sir, increase price 40%. Add automation plus AI projects. Build case studies. Target LinkedIn outreach. Okay. Next, phase 3, 6 to 12 months. Position as consultant. Move to value pricing. Offer like a final refined advice for you, Durga. Since you are already run training business, best move. Okay, it's providing someone based on my profile. I hope practically you people are saying what is the meaning of review, what is the meaning of reflection. Is it clear for you people? If your answer is weak, if any corrections are required, if any improvements are required, do that and provide final improved strategy, final improved answer. Are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Is your doubt also got clarified, right?
Yes, sir. Clear.
This type of thing, yeah. This type of thing is by default considered reflection prompting. Okay, let me go for one more example. This prompt better to save. This one is very helpful for you people because tomorrow some people are worrying my job will be there or my job won't be there. Even if your job is there or not there, better to start parallelly freelancing. Today, okay, you are having just a prompt engineering skill. Okay, just offer I'm ready to write the prompts like. You know, just by simply writing prompts, you can earn like anything. In the YouTube or in the Insta, there are only with prompting, they are going to create videos. Those videos are going to be viral like anything. Remember that. Yesterday, there is in the India-Pakistan match, one IRA, like one AI model. Have you remembered? Anyone know about this one? One lady photo got viral. Just the 3,000 to 1.5 lakh followers, 3 lakh followers, just a matter of one night, overnight. Very unfortunate. Okay, she is not original. She is the AI model. Anyone aware?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Stay aware. Okay, IRA. Like there is a AI model. IRA. Like tomorrow, next, I'm creating my own AI model. My own AI model. Model means not AI model like ChatGPT. Model means like Katrina Kaif or otherwise Priyanka Chopra. Like I'm creating my own.
The dancing character showing about Pakistan cricketers.
Sir, you mean Avatar, sir?
Just like Avatar, correct.
Okay.
How you are going to generate is prompt only. Video prompt.
Yes, sir.
It's what you are going to do once you are getting millions of followers by keeping that. By keeping some regularly videos, then automatically the corporates are going to approach. Can you please promote my brand? Can you please promote my brand like that? Then lakhs we can collect. One type of only required skill is prompting. I hope are you in the position to understand?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
but
sir.
we need to purchase the license also, I think, right?
For what?
For generating videos. So,
For generate no license means okay because more number of videos that thing paid version can provide more.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, that once you are getting the money, what there it's a very nominal credit
Sir,
basis.
but where to implement these prompts, sir?
Where?
To implement these prompts?
On AI tools, AI models.
Like on where will we execute, sir? Exactly.
I'm executing where this prompt?
You're doing it in ChatGPT.
Yes, it is a content based. Tomorrow, if video based I require, Gemini VO3, I can ask. Getting the point?
Yeah.
So video based AI models are there. Next, images specialized AI models are there. Okay, for cinematic video sake, there are some AI models are there. Okay, like that. So just everywhere the required thing is
Prompt.
Prompt.
Remember,
Sir,
only prompt.
freelancing comes under the moonlighting.
If you are going to keep your own profile.
Okay, thank you, sir.
If your girlfriend is there, right? Better to keep use. Okay, or otherwise your mother or father or. Okay, come back. Okay,
Sir,
now
I also
go
try to
reflect.
edit all these prompts, sir, but it is giving many restrictions. That I can't do this, I can't do that. Like,
Sometimes what will happen is ethical, these AI models are ethical. There are some non-ethical models are there.
I try to create a deep fake, sir. It says I'm not allowed to do the deep fake videos.
Yeah, yeah.
Like
There are some models are there. Don't worry, just dig for that. If you are getting
Sir,
any
where is viral?
ethical issues here. Okay? Yeah.
Could you please
So just
share
come
the
back to
viral
our cinema.
viral news, sir?
Viral?
Sir, could you please share viral details? Yesterday, what is viral? Like you told right before. Viral.
Just a simple open Inadu.net. You can see there is one lady named with Vaira or Ira.
Okay.
Ira.
Okay.
Okay, just go through that. It's the next days heroes, heroines. Okay, these people are not going to be there. Cameraman, next locations, all these things are going to be nonsense. The next movies
what about on sports?
Huh?
Sports, cricket like.
Sports maybe, I'm not sure. But next level, everything, especially entertainment. No characters are required. Okay, believe me. Very soon, those days are going to be there. You are going to get the doubt that is it AI movie or otherwise original movie like. Okay, so just anyway, to do all these things at the end of the day, which thing must be required?
Prompts.
Prompts.
How to write.
Writing good prompts.
Remember that. Okay, that skill what we are learning. Okay, now let me go for one more example. Sir, this second prompt is very helpful for you if you want to start freelancing job. Next, one more prompt I want to explain. Okay, here just have a look once. It's also very helpful for you people. Okay, very helpful for you people. This third prompt also. So here have a look once. What is my third prompt? I'm earning 8 lakh LPA and planning to quit job for freelancing. So give advice. Okay, are you getting? So currently I have the job. I'm earning 8 lakh LPA. So I'm planning to quit the job for freelancing. Give advice. Review your reasoning for emotional bias. Identify financial risks you may have underestimated. Okay, like strengthen risk analysis. Give final approved recommendation. Okay, like that. So just observe this, what it's going to provide. It's also a very useful prompt for you people, for your day-to-day requirement. Now have a look once. So can I use the word, is it a reflection prompt or not? Respond, friends. Is it reflection prompt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes. Quitting a job for freelancing can be good move, but only when you have financial runway plus study client pipeline. Here is the practical advice. Okay, like that. So advice first pass. Don't quit suddenly. Okay, make a simple quit checklist. Okay, like that. So first build freelancing along with the job for 2 to 3 months. Okay, or during notice period. Make simple quick checklist. Emergency fund at least 6 to 12 months for your family expenses. Next, a client pipeline, at least 2 paying clients or 1 long-term client in hand. Income proof. Last 8 to 6 freelancing income, 50 to 80% of your salary income proof. Skills plus offer clarity. You can explain one line what you sell. AI automation for coaching or training institute, something like health insurance, personal cover ready Okay, personal cover ready. Okay, health insurance, is it cover ready? Don't depend only on company insurance. Like, use a safe transition plan. Month 1 to 2, evenings or weekends freelancing, build portfolio and outreach. Month 3, rise prices, close repeat clients. If checklist is made, resign and confident. Okay, in the month of 4, if the checklist is, if you are going to meet your checklist, then automatically resign with confidence. Okay, understand the real change. Job salary is fixed, freelancing income is variable. Also, you will handle finding clients, delivery, payments follow, taxes. So plan for that workload. Okay, like so this is clearly it is telling, friends, just like an expert advice it's providing. Like, now observe this, review my reasoning for emotional basis, possible emotional bias. I may be too safety focused, risk averse, or which can delay your decision even if you are capable. Also, because freelancing success stories and so on, like financial risks I may have underestimated, irregular cash flow. Some months can be zero, payment delays, client may pay after 30 to 60 days. I didn't consider that earlier. Okay, hidden costs, laptop tools, internet, travel, marketing, these type of thing I didn't consider. Advanced tax, GST or no TDS compulsory. Okay, like health or emergency risk, opportunity cost. Okay, like these things I didn't consider. Like strong risk analysis. Okay, simple numbers are decision. Your current income 8 lakh. So per month 66,666 per month you are going to get your hand. Minimum safety margin. Let your monthly family expense to be E. Runway needed 9 to E. So if E is 40,000 per month, then 3.6 lakhs must be required. If your E is family expense is 60,000, 5.4 is required. Like so, quit threshold stronger. Like final improved recommendation. Final improved recommendation. Okay, this is. Don't quit immediately. Start freelancing now and resign only when you hit these targets. Target A, money safety, 9 to 12 months expenses saved. Target B, 2 months where freelancing income covers expenses. Target C, okay, like if these targets you are going to meet, then only, okay, resign your job. Okay, start freelancing now and resign only when. If you want to resign faster, okay, like do it. Like wonderful. Clearly, it's going to provide strategy for you people. I hope, is it clear for you? Any explanation is required? Okay, because here these things are not only prompts. Believe me, these things are not only prompts. These things are very helpful for your day-to-day requirement. Okay, that's all. This is what is the meaning of reflection prompting. So clear. Now have a look once. There is a small summary table. Can you please tell the difference between COT and reflection prompting?
COT it is going to generate
it generates.
Two things are
COT
there.
we have
Manual
given
COT is there.
instructions,
Automated
but
COT is there. In manual COT, we are providing steps.
Manual or COT, forget auto, forget about the general COT.
Okay,
COT
sir.
means
COT plus review is reflection.
for every step there is one chain.
Okay.
That is called
Step
COT,
by
chain
step
of thoughts.
reasoning. Step by step reasoning.
Yes,
okay, there self-review and correction. Self-review and correction. Focus on process clarity in the COT. Correct, right? Process clarity.
Yes.
Okay, what your process step by step? It's always going to focus on process clarity in the COT. But in the case of reflection, what will happen? Focus on improvement. Here, main target is improving already provided answer. Next, in the case of COT, process is going to be happen before final answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Process
Yes, sir.
is going to be started before final answer. But in reflection prompting, process is going to be started after generating first answer.
First answer.
After generating first answer. Okay, like next reduces logical errors. Next polishes and refines answer. Okay, logical errors, if anywhere mistakes are there, it's going to be reduced. Those errors are going to be reduced because step by step process we are doing. But here what will happen? Overall quality of your answer by default is going to be improved. Remember this. Okay, if any person is going to ask the question, what is the difference between COT and reflection prompting? COT means step-by-step process and then generate the final answer. Reflection means, okay, generate answer and then review that answer and provide improved answer. That thing is enough. Okay, still if you want, already I have image is there. Yes. Here I have a look once. Of course, I will share this image. Don't worry at all. Okay, that's all. So can you please observe that COT and reflection prompting? Step-by-step reasoning. COT means step-by-step reasoning. Self-review and correction. Focus on process clarity. Focus on improvement. Happens before final answer. Happens after final answer. Reduces logical errors. Polishes and refines answer. Any doubt? Or generally, I hope everyone in the position to answer this one.
Yes, sir.
So process clarity once, can you?
Polishes, and this one, last one, right? You are asking?
Sir, second one, focus on process clarity in CO.
Yeah, focus on process clarity means, you are generating the output, you are generating the answer based on which process. Can you please show that the reasoning steps for me? That is what process.
Okay, sir.
Getting the point? Here, we are always, our focus is always on improvement because we are not going to worry about draft version because final version is going to be there. Our concentration is always only on improvement.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir?
That's it. Yeah, Jagannath.
Yes, sir. Sir, internally that reflection prompting internally uses that manual COT internally plus some review and
that depends. That depends. Okay, so if you are providing reasoning steps at the beginning, then automatically the manual COT followed by reflection. Okay, if you are not giving any kind of thing, then automatically auto or otherwise directly is providing strategy directly providing strategy, and then it is going to improve that based on our provided factors. Okay, now here just observe that there is one small chota example I created for you people, friends. Okay, to get clarity about what we call manual COT, auto COT, and the reflection prompting. Just to understand that, just I have some 3 examples so that you can understand clearly. Can I go for that?
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Of course, by this time you are getting the clarity. Okay, but still more clarity you people are going to get. If you want, I will explain. Okay, a small chota example so that you can feel more comfortable, I'm sure. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, here there is one small example I'm going to take. First, observe my analysis. Observe my analysis. Suppose my requirement is I want to go for Mumbai for the trip. Okay, sir, why trip to Mumbai? Better to go for New York. Like just an example, say I'm telling. I'm going for the Mumbai for a trip. I want to write the prompt. Okay, my requirement is which places are best places, okay, to visit. Next, worry about accommodation, worry about hotels, worry about traveling. All these things are required for me. What I will do is, I don't know about the reasoning prompting. I will give the prompt one by one. Have you observed? I'm going to give the prompting one by one. Something like I will give the prompting one by one. This is a normal multi-step conversation. It is not reasoning prompts at all. If you are going to give, first I will ask, in Mumbai, what are the best places to see? Next, and after that, next prompt I will ask, okay, which hotels are best? Next, where, okay, which restaurants are best? Next, what about traveling facilities? Like, if you are giving 4 or 5 prompts, one by one, this is the normal conversation. It is no way related to our prompting, our reasoning prompting. Correct, right?
Yes, sir. A
Yes,
novice
right, sir.
does.
Correct, right? Okay, just
Yes,
I'm
sir.
asking 4 questions. 1 question, and then I will ask second question, no link at all. And then I will ask third question, and then fourth question, I'm going to ask no link at all. Okay, let me show for you people just that one. Okay, now here have a look once. Here I'm asking, here I'm showing, observe carefully, right? Normal or multi-step conversation. Okay, it's a normal or multi-step conversation situation. A person wants to plan a trip to new city. They want suggestions for places to visit, good food, and places to stay. Prompt 1. I'm planning a trip to Mumbai. What places should I visit? Okay, this is the prompt I'm giving. Then automatically it's going to tell these are the places like that. Next, thank you. Can you suggest some good restaurants? Okay, like that. Next, nice. Can you suggest some good hotels or places to stay? Next, thanks. Do you have any other tips for exploring the city? Next, that helps. How I can travel around the city easily? Like that. Sir, now how many prompts are there here? How many prompts are there here? 5 prompts. The normal flow. It is nowhere related to the reasoning. It's nowhere related to the COT or otherwise the reflection. These type of things are not applicable for this scenario. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
This is a sequential prompt. Normal conversation flow, not reasoning based. Okay, like that. Now, what I want to do is, I want to convert this one. Of course, I'm not required to execute, I hope. Am I required to run these prompts one by one? Not required, right? What? Just I'm asking first question. It is telling some answer. Then I will ask another question. It's going to tell some answer like that. So now, this is the scenario. Just observe very carefully, right? Now, for this, I want to write a COT based prompting for the same requirement only. Finally, my requirement is I want to travel to Mumbai. Can you please provide best places to visit, best hotels to accommodate, best food restaurants, traveling facility, all these things. Can you please provide my travel plan? Okay, itinerary or something like it's got travel plan. Okay, can you please provide, like that's about my requirement, right? Now, I will ask 3 models because only 3 types of reasoning prompts we covered. Manual COT. In the manual COT, what you require to do?
We have to specify the steps.
You have to specify reasoning steps. Oh, first talk about this, second talk about this, third talk about this, fourth talk about this, like you require to provide your reasoning steps. Okay, then automatically, based on those reasoning steps, it is going to provide final strategy. Okay, this is the tour plan, final tour plan you require to follow. Okay, so for your Mumbai trip, like it's going to provide complete information. This is my manual COT. Okay, clear. Now, I don't want manual. Then I will go for auto. In the auto, what I require to do?
Step by step, you need to
just give the
now
prompt.
I'm not telling. Now I'm not going to provide my reasoning steps. AI model, can you please generate reasoning steps on your own? But last, can you please provide my travel plan? Final travel plan. Can you please provide to me? I'm not in a position to provide reasoning steps. Okay, you can generate reasoning steps on your own. This type of modeling is by default considered what? This type of prompting is by default considered what?
Auto COT prompt.
Auto COT. So in normal manual COT or auto COT, how many answers are going to be generated? Only one final answer. Before final answer, yes, step-by-step thinking is going to be happen. Reasoning steps are going to be executed. Okay, clear. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Perfect. Okay. There is another third category I covered. What is the third category? I forgot the name. Please remind me.
Reflection prompt.
What is that?
Reflection COT
Reflection prompting. Reflection prompting. What the reflection prompting? What I require to do is, wait, for my Mumbai trip, can you please generate? Okay, tour plan. But in this tour plan, have you considered this? Okay, can you please recheck again? And if any improvements are required, if any risk factors are there, whether you consider or not, I don't know. Can you please recheck again? And then can you generate a final, okay, tour plan for me? Okay, improved tour plan for me. If I'm going to write the prompt like that, then automatically by default consider reflection prompting. Do you want me to show these things practically?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Getting the points, subject clarity, I hope you are getting right.
We got it.
Yes.
Yeah. Let me execute first which prompt?
Manual COT.
Manual COT.
Manual prompting. Okay. Perfect. Just have a look once. You have to justify, you have to tell why this one is the manual prompt. Manual COT. Why this one is the manual COT? You have to tell. Okay, manual COT. Yeah. Observe carefully. You are a professional travel planner. Okay. I'm planning a trip to Mumbai. Before giving final answer, follow manual chain of thought reasoning. Manual chain of thought reasoning. Step 1. Okay. Understand the complete travel requirements. Identify top tourist attractions in Mumbai. Next, suggest on good restaurants, veg and non-veg options. Next, recommend accommodation options, budget, mid-range and luxury. Next, provide transportation guidance and practical travel tips. After completing all reasoning steps clearly, then provide a structured. After completing all reasoning steps clearly, then provide a structured final travel plan. Important. Show each reasoning step clearly. Do not skip steps. Keep explanation simple and practical. Then give the final answer separately under final travel plan. Yeah. So can I use the word? Is it a manual COT prompt or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How you can
manual
conclude?
COT.
Giving a step by step.
Step is mentioned.
Yes, reasoning steps were written manually. Who wrote these? Reasoning steps were written
User.
manually. Next, thinking process is structured. Step by step thinking is there or not? Step
Yes,
by
sir.
step thinking is there or not? That's
Yes,
why it is a COT. Next, final answer comes after reasoning or not?
Yes, sir.
So, after completing all these steps only, final answer is going to be generated. Okay. First, don't jump to the answer directly. First, show the reasoning steps and then final answer you require to generate. This is step-by-step thinking. Okay. Reasoning. Next, manual COT. All the terminology are applicable for this prompt. Can I run this prompt?
Sure, sir.
Yes.
Have a look once. Thinking.
You are not sharing screen, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Sorry. yeah. Please remind once as in flow. Okay, thinking, still thinking, no problem. Just I copy pasted it. Thinking, it is checking because it is checking live data information is required, right? It is checking. Here, anyone from Mumbai? There are multiple people are there from Mumbai.
Yes, sir. I was in Mumbai, sir, for 6 years.
Yeah. What these places? This one
First one is Gate of
again.
India.
Gateway of India.
Okay, sir.
And what is this
this
one?
thing?
Marine line.
Marine line, yeah, Main Drive.
Okay, this one, last one.
Burley Ceiling, I think. Burley Ceiling.
Okay, yeah. Okay, because now the names are familiar with you people at least. Durga, I will plan your Mumbai trip in clear step by step, simple, practical. I won't show internal chain of thought details, but I will follow your steps and show the output like. Okay, here's step 1. What step I provided? Understand the complete travel requirements. Okay, understand the complete. To make your Mumbai, we should decide these points. Trip days, okay, like trip days, like it's asking. Okay, I didn't provide any information, right? Don't worry, it is step 2. Identify top tourist attractions in Mumbai. Okay, like, yeah, you told right, top tourist attractions in Mumbai. Okay, South Mumbai, Gateway of India, next Marine Drive, next what is this one? Colaba Causeway.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Is it there?
Colaba Market.
Colaba Causeway. Next, heritage and culture, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. What is this one?
CST.
CST. Next, and after that,
Elephanta
what is
Cave.
this one? Elephanta Caves. Okay, like spiritual and city icons are Sri Siddhi Vinayaka Temple. Next,
Haji.
Haj Ali
Haji
Dargah, I
Ali.
hope, which is there in Ocean, correct, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Right.
Ceiling column.
Bandra
So this
ceiling,
is
yeah.
Bandra. Like it's okay. Suggest good restaurants. Okay. Swati snacks. I don't know. Okay. You have to decide. Okay. Like South Indian places in what is this one? Matunga.
Matunga place.
Okay. Next, the Bombay Canteen. Non-veg plus mixed Bombay Canteen. Britannia and Co. Next, Leopold Cave. Okay. Next, Trishna. Okay. Yeah. Next, recommended and accommodation options, budget and mid. So these are the, it's telling near airport, so and so Next, budget hotel, mid-range hotels are these. Next, luxury kind of hotels are these. Taj, the Taj Mahal Palace or the Taj Tower, the Oberoi. Next, it's transport and all the steps it's provided. So these steps, who define these steps? Can you please confirm?
The users.
Okay, we define, that's why it is the manual COT. Okay, final travel plan, option A, 2-day Mumbai plan, most common. Day 1, can you please cover? Okay, South Mumbai, Gateway of India, next Colaba Causeway, okay, evening at Mumbai, Marine Drive, okay, next day 2, okay, option B, 3-day Mumbai plan, relaxed. Day 1, day 2, day 3, okay, food plan, 1 day, so and so. 1 day, so and so. Next, yard veg snacks, okay, from so and so place. Stay suggestion, okay, yeah.
Where is budget? Budget.
Yes,
Budget. How much will
budget here? Here the thing is, we didn't provide much information, right? Have you observed? Who is asking this question? We didn't provide much information, right? Okay, that's why it is doing. Okay, suppose, okay, we are not happy. Then I will ask. Oi,
give me budget also?
Budget information also. Review your answer and provide final answer by including budget. Which type of prompt?
Reflection.
Okay. Now, so what is the meaning of manual COT? Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Clear. Yes. Can I go for the same example with auto COT?
Yes.
Sure.
If you feel comfortable, okay, then auto COT and manual COT, where is the difference we are going to get? These steps we are not going to provide. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These steps we are not going to provide. Okay. In auto COT, reasoning steps will be generated automatically by AI model itself. Okay, now, okay. Sir, here just observe this. Now I'm ready to go for.
Sir, even here also in the manual CAT, the steps are created by AI only, no sir?
No. Who created? Who wrote this prompt? Who wrote this prompt?
User.
Now AI following our provided steps. Next, the steps are defined by which person?
The person who is traveling, planning to travel.
I mean, the prompt, the part of the prompt, manually I am writing these steps.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even in the answer, it said that it's not using its internal steps, right?
Yes. Okay. Here, have a look once. Can you please just observe? You are a professional travel planner. I am planning a trip to Mumbai. Please think step by step before giving the final answer. Generate a detailed travel plan including, okay, must visit attractions, good restaurants, accommodate options, travel. First, show your step-by-step reasoning. Then, provide the final structure travel plan separately under the heading. Final, keep everything simple and practical. Sir, why I am using the word? First, is it a reasoning prompt? First question, is it a reasoning prompt?
Yes. It's a reasoning prompt.
Yes. How you are concluding it is the reasoning prompt?
Yes, we are not directly jumping to the answer. We are first getting.
Show your step-by-step reasoning. Don't jump to the final answer. Okay, well. Next, why this is auto COT?
We are not providing step 1, step 2.
The requirements are not there in that.
Yes, we are not providing reasoning steps. Reasoning steps, who is going to decide in this case? My
Yeah, he
AI
will.
model is
Yeah.
going to decide reasoning steps in this case. Okay.
Sorry.
Now, let me execute this. Let me run this. Thinking. Because Mumbai tourist places, all these things, it may communicate with the web. Have you observed? Searching for, okay, like, yeah. What is this place? This place is that Durga, I hope.
Near Taj Hotel.
Taj Hotel? Yeah. Okay. Here, just observe that step 1. Understand the travel requirements. Quick checklist. Okay. To make the plan perfect, these points matter. Trip days, budget, stay preference. Okay. Next, food. Okay. Next, comfort. Okay. Like these to make step 1. Top most visit attractions in Mumbai. Sir, who defined these steps? Am I defined anywhere?
No.
Are these steps? Am I defined anywhere in my prompt? No. Okay. So who generated these steps?
AI.
Hey, that's why it is auto.
LLM.
AI model generated. Okay, like that. Now South Mumbai. Okay. Next update trip. Next spiritual and so on. Okay, these are the top. Good restaurants. It is telling. Next accommodation options. Okay, South Mumbai, Andheri, like there are multiple. Next hotel style, budget hotel. Next and after that mid range. Next luxury, like step transportation guidance and the practice Uber, Ola, Metro, local trains, like it's providing practical tips. Okay, like final travel plan. Okay, most practical option A, 2-day Mumbai plan. South Mumbai. So morning Gateway of India, afternoon Fort area walk plus IST photo shot. Okay, photo spot. Next marine drive sunset. Okay, like one big experience plus a day 2. Okay, next food 2 days. This is the thing. Sri Thakur. What is this one, man? Is it there in Mumbai? Sri
Bhojanalaya, yeah. Hotel.
Bhojanalaya.
Okay,
hotel. Yeah. Option B, 3-day Mumbai. Okay, 3-day Mumbai plan. Stay recommended. If first time, better to, if airport convenience, Andheri. Okay, like that. That's all. It is asking. Still, if you provide how many days, it's like normal ChatGPT. How many days, your budget per night, veg or non-veg, then automatically I will convert it to exact morning, afternoon, evening timetable with the travel. Okay, my required auto COT. What is the meaning of that? I understood clearly. Not required to worry. Is it clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Auto COT. Next, why it is the reasoning step by step. Okay, reason step by step, show step by step reasoning steps, and then final answer. Don't jump to the final answer directly. That's it. Can I move to the next level?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What's your next level? I forgot the name.
Reflection prompt.
Reflection prompt. Okay. In the reflection prompt, what will happen?
After generating
It will
the
generate
response, it
answer,
will recheck,
then it will
review the answer, and then it gives the final answer.
First answer, review, and then
improved
improved
answer.
answer. Okay.
Improved answer.
Generate, think,
Yes.
and then regenerate improved version. That's all. Okay. Now let me go for that version also. So why this prompt
Sir,
is
అది రీచెకింగ్ మళ్ళా జనరేషన్ అట్లా మల్టిపుల్ వెళ్ళచ్చు సార్
no. In this case, only once. Okay. Yeah. This is if you are getting the first 3, then the remaining things will become very easy. Okay, self-reflection, because already you had clarity, right? Then the self-consistency, next TOT, next and after that there is another COH, step back. All these things will become very easy for them. Oh, this is the small change, right? Okay, but understanding the first 2 or 3 is more important.
Sir, this manual CAT and this reflection prompt are both similar, no, sir?
What is that?
Manual COT and reflection. Both are similar, no, sir?
Both are not same. In manual COT, how many times the answer is coming? Execute all your steps and then provide the final answer. Where is the question of review your answer?
Okay, in reflection, review is there.
Review is going to be happen.
Mm-hmm. And what about the automated COT, sir?
Automated? In automated,
COT.
in the case of manual COT, we are providing the steps manually. Characterize step 1, reasoning step, this is the step 1 you require to follow, this is the step 2 you require to follow, like. But in auto, we are not providing any reasoning steps.
We'll directly ask the answer, right?
Yes. Okay, but reasoning steps are going to be generated. Who is the responsible to generate reasoning steps?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what. Okay, what is the...
Sir, in reflection, before generating the response only, it will perform review as well, sir. First generate and then review.
First response will be generated, Rashekar. First response, draft answer is going to be generated. Assume that. That is not final answer. And then it is going to perform review on that. And then if any changes are required, if any assumptions are weak, then it is going to provide improved version again.
Yes, sir. That first version is, it is not generating to us, right, sir? Internally it will perform, right?
No.
The draft.
You can see in the output, right?
Oh.
Okay, but we require to consider only final version.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Here I have a look once, friends. Okay, reflection prompting, observe that. Why it is the reflection prompting? You have to tell the answer. You people. You are a professional travel planner. I'm planning a trip to Mumbai. Create a detailed travel plan including most must-visit attractions, good restaurants, accommodation options, transport guidance, next practical travel tips. Follow this structure strictly. Okay, phase 1, generate an initial travel plan. Okay, generate an initial travel plan. Observe that. Phase 2, reflect on your answer. Check if anything is important. If anything important is missing, check if any suggestions are practical. Check if the plan is balanced, budget, comfort, and time. Improve the plan based on your reflection. Finally, provide the improved version under final improved travel plan. Sir, keep language simple and practical. In this case, how many answers are going to be generated? Can you please confirm?
2 answers.
How many travel plans are going to be generated? Yes, have you observed? Generate an initial travel plan and then provide improved final version, final improved travel plan. Okay, but what is the difference between these two things is, yes, here the thing is review. If any improvements are required, my AI model is going to improve that. Any doubt?
Sir, 2, 3 we can put one itself now. Reflect on your own answer, because anyhow one initial answer is going to come, improved answer is going to come at the second, correct? Why phase 1, phase 2, phase 3? One phase is enough.
Yeah. What the reason? I mean, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Just for clarity's sake, I provided in the prompt.
Okay. Anyhow, only two times only answer.
Yes, answer is coming 2 times only. Just I'm telling clearly steps. Sir, here very simple. Required funda you require to remember. You have to treat the AI model as a kid always while communicating. Okay. Chinna pillodu, a small nursery student or LKG student, how you are going to tell, how you are going to feed the data to that person? Very carefully, step by step. Next, at the same time, very slowly, like that much clarity, how much clarity you are providing to the AI model, the response should be with that much clarity.
Sir, multiple times also we can create. So what I'm asking, first you have given this, correct? In phase 1 itself, it can provide the output, then review, then again, then review, then again. Like that, can't we create a reflection?
We can, but generally one level. Okay.
One level. Okay, sir.
One level. Generally one level. Okay, reflection. Maybe that maybe is there any multi-reflection prompting? Maybe the other name is there or not, I'm not sure. But one level. Okay. But what instruction you are providing? Simply my AI model is going to execute that instruction.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Could you please take a new window, new chat, sir? Could you please take a new chat window?
Yeah.
Sir, I think
So
for his question, react to prompt, maybe we can
maybe
do
next time.
multiple iterations.
Yeah. Okay, someone is asking new chart. Okay, I'm keeping new chart. Here observe that. Same thing only. Okay. Yes, here phase 3, improve the final base. Whatever I explained. I hope I showed right my prompt. Respond. Am I sure
Yes, sir.
already this prompt right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Sir, can we say reflection prompt as a auto COT plus things which we want to improve in auto COT is called as a reflection prompt?
Maybe yes. You are giving. It's also reasoning prompt, right? At the beginning, it is going to follow its auto, and then suppose sometimes maybe you can make as a manual also.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, I am clear
Have you
with
observed, right?
auto COT and reflection prompts, sir, but here in manual COT, you only asked it the steps, no, sir. It gave you the step-by-step travel plan. You
Yes,
only
sir.
asked it to give a step-by-step, right? So where did you mention those steps?
In the prompt.
No, yeah. You asked it to
Here,
give the
just
steps.
observe
The
this.
steps are given by
Yes.
the AI only, no, sir.
1 minute. Which step AI has to follow? That step is going to be defined by
COT.
User.
Have you observed, right?
Yes.
AI model. Can you please follow this step first? Understand complete travel requirements. First, you require to do that. Like I'm forcing AI to follow my steps. This is what manual.
Sir, instead of
1 minute. The person who is asking this doubt. Is it clear, right?
Yes, sir. But even if you don't ask the steps, it will give the steps in auto COT also, no, sir.
Auto COT, but which steps? Do you have any control on that?
No.
That's what. Sometimes what will happen here? Array, you require to solve this problem in this style. First, find out, okay, what is the total profit. Next, find out total loss. And then, better to keep total turnover. Next, and then, okay, sometimes you may have, your requirement is, sometimes you may based on your requirement. Yes, AI model, can you please follow these steps? Because in my format, this is the steps are there. You require to follow these. That's about my requirement like. Sometimes what will happen? I don't know the steps because it's a very complex problem. Can you please generate the steps on your own? But make sure you have to show the steps for me. You have to show the reasoning steps for me before giving the answer. So that how you generated this final answer, I will come to know. Are you getting the point? Who is asking this doubt?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right?
So, but I keep playing with ChatGPT. So means keep on giving prompts. What I observed is, if you give a prompt, it will give you the steps by its own, or if you ask it to give steps, also it will give steps. But even if you ask it for a review, it will give you a review. But instead of a review, there are no corrections. First of all, sir, if AI does something, 99.9% there are no mistakes. So but even if you ask for a look for some mistakes or correct whatever it is, whatever has to be corrected, then it will give you alternatives, but it will not correct, sir. It says, okay, you can go to this hotel also rather than this hotel,
It is not going to provide alternate. Sometimes what will happen is very simple. First, give the draft version. If any changes are there, I will let you know. And then with my changes, can you please provide final version? If suppose one flyer I require to prepare for DURGASOFT, I will tell to the designer, can you please send the draft version to me? He is going to send the draft version to me. And then these are the changes which are required. Okay, you didn't consider about the fee, you didn't consider about the duration, you didn't consider about faculty qualification. Can you please add these things and please send the final version? Getting the point?
Yes, sir. And whatever we are discussing, are these applicable in the agentic AI in like in the AI compile?
Let
We
me
use
check.
the agentic AI in compilers, no, sir. Like in the
Let
VS
me,
Code and all these things.
let me. As of now, just in the prompt, just aware this terminology because I too don't know. First time I'm handling. So there, if you are having clarity here, then definitely there it's going to be helpful for like my intention. Getting the point?
Yeah.
So the
Okay,
changes
but
which we
let me have some clarity here. What it means. So there are is in all the syllabuses, agentic AI, prompt engineering, all syllabuses, these things are going to be covered. So first let me cover. Okay, and then we will move there. Then if it is required, then confidently we can move there happily. If tomorrow, if any person is going to use the word, "Arey, do you know persona?" Yes, I know persona. Do you know zero shot, one shot, or few shots? Yes, I know. Like there, if any changes are required, we will do that. But first, get the concept. That thing is important.
Hi, Durga
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can I add
Yes, sir.
something?
Getting right?
Even business logic also will going to change because of prompts. That is very,
Yeah.
very important to have knowledge of prompts.
Yes, correct. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Your doubts I will clarify. Last, let me execute this prompt first. Yeah. Okay, let me execute this prompt. Raju, I hope are you getting my point right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because to answer that, sir, is really is going to be used in agentic AI
ಸಾಕ್ಸ್
or
ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು
AI
ನೋಡಿ
agents
ನನ್ನ
like
ಕಾಲ್ ಫುಲ್ ಹೊಡೆದೋಗಿತ್ತು ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರಿಬೇಕು.
okay, in agentic AI, these things are required to use and so on. Please wait some more days. Okay, this
So prompt engineering is also one of the tool of AI, one of the AI tools.
not AI tools. This is the AI related concept to communicate with AI models. This is the skill.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Raju. Yeah.
so
Okay,
the
well,
changes
sir, now, Jyoti,
so the changes which we tell AI to do in the post that is reviewing.
what changes we didn't tell? Observe that. What areas have you considered these areas while generating or not? Just have a look once about the prompting, about the prompt, whatever I'm going to execute now. Have a look once. Page 1. Generate initial travel plan. Okay, in your travel plan, can you please consider these things? And then check if anything is important is missing. Check if any suggestions are practical. Check if the plan is balanced or not. Like I'm asking again, then automatically what will happen is, sir, this AI model is going to recheck. That thing must be required. Sir, how many times Raju told 99.99% AI is always going to give the correct answer like that. Believe me, Raju, while working on ChatGPT, minimum 100 times I corrected AI model. I corrected AI response. Array, you are telling chapter 3 notes you are going to generate, but you provided at the beginning chapter 3 title is this, now you are generating this. Why this difference is there? Like immediately, oh sorry, Durga, I didn't observe. Okay, let me regenerate again. 100
Yes, sir.
times. Oh my God.
For me, it happened only sometimes, sir.
And yeah, that's
Very
what.
rarely.
So AI model is going to generate the response based on probability. Okay, based on probability. There is no run to run also exactly same answer also. There is no guarantee we are going to get. That's why review is always going to be recommended to improve quality of the response. Remember. Okay. Sir, here just have a look. The same thing. Here I'm not telling any steps. Jyoti, here I'm not telling do these changes. Can you please do that? Like if I'm telling clearly these changes you require to do that, then automatically what is the meaning of review? Here only I will add those changes also, right? Jyoti, are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now here just observe this carefully. Okay. Oh, it executed already. Okay. Sir, here just observe that, or otherwise let me execute again. Yes, sir. Same prompt only. Observe that. Mumbai travel plan. Page 1, initial travel plan. Must visit attractions. South Mumbai. Okay, Gateway of India, like a day trip. Okay, like Elephant's Caves. Next, West Mumbai. Okay, like so and so. Next, good restaurants. Next, accommodation options. Next, and after that, transportation guidance. Next, practical travel plan. Next, phase 2. Here, observe that. Yes, this is the thing what it is generated. Missing points. No clear day-wise schedule. Clear day-wise schedule is missing. No monsoon planning. Okay, this thing is missing. Important in Mumbai. Okay, no estimated budget guidance. No shopping suggestions beyond the Collaba. Okay, no safety advice. Have you observed, right? Is there any missing points? Am I told these are the missing points you require to consider, like?
No.
Jyoti?
No, sir.
Am I told anywhere these are the missing points you require to consider? No, just I told. Anything missing, please let me know. Like, next, a practical check. Locations are correct, but need to grouping by area. Traffic planning needs some stronger emphasis. Next, like it is telling clearly. Next, improvements made. Added 3-day structured identity. Okay, itinerary. Next, added monsoon trips. Added so and so. Sir, have you observed, right? These are the improvements I did. Final improved travel plan. Okay, idea 3-day itinerary. Okay, like a day 1, day 2, day 3. Next, budget friendly food options. Stay decision guide. Next, and after that, approximated day budget. Transport line, monsoon tips. Okay, like safety tips. Like, yeah. Can you please observe? First version and the second version. Is there any change in the response?
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends. First version and the second version. Is there any change in the response?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there is a change. Okay, this is what we call reflection prompting. So better to get the concept, and then of course its practical uses in the agentic AI, generative AI, whether these things are helpful or not, we will discuss. Until January 11th, 2027, we will have the session. Don't worry yet. Yes, we completed 37 or 38 days. How many?
With today 36, sir.
36 only. Okay, don't worry. All the things will come into the picture. But first, get the concept in prompting clear. That clarity must be required.
Sir,
Yeah.
in manual COT, we are mentioning step and then writing one numericals we are writing, no, sir? So instead of step, if you don't write step and just put the numericals, then it is also manual COT.
Acceptable. Acceptable.
Okay, sir. Okay,
you are not required to use step like 1, 2, 3, 4, like.
Hmm.
Otherwise, even not numbering also. Follow the following reasoning steps. That's
Okay,
all.
sir.
Automatically, it's going to recognize.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, that's all, friends. So I hope the fear about auto COT, manual COT, next the reflection prompting, is it clear? If you understand this, the remaining things will become very easy for you people. Believe me. Tomorrow, I'm going to cover self-consistency. Day after tomorrow, I may cover TOT. And then I may cover COH. Next, step back. Okay, like these are various prompting techniques. Based on our requirement, we require to choose, okay, this requirement, this is the requirement. Yes, better to go for so and so prompting. Like you may get the idea. Suppose here, I will tell two use cases. Ray Durga, can you please generate 25 questions, MCQs, multiple choice questions for my prompt engineering students? Okay, where the question format should be, okay, question, next A, B, C, D, 4 options, and then, okay, 4 options will be there. Okay, that A bracket, parenthesis, B bracket, something like this is my requirement. Can you please generate 25 questions for me? Don't put answers. This is my requirement. Then obviously, go to go for what? Few short prompting. Okay, here I'm not giving any reasoning kind of thing. Just to generate the questions, no reasoning kind of thing is there. Few short prompting is the best. Okay, for this few short prompting is the best. One example I'm giving, based on that example, it's going to generate for all the remaining 25 questions. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, or one short prompt. Okay, maybe one example if I give, one short prompt. If I give 2 or more, then obviously we will go for what? Few short prompting. Okay, suppose I'm preparing, I want a proposal to my client, okay, on AI automation what we call, I want to give the proposal for their AI automation requirement. Okay, like that. So just I will ask AI, can you please generate that? Can you please generate this prompt? And is these things are considered or not? Can you please recheck again? If these things are missing, can you please generate again and let me know? If I have this type of requirement is there, then obviously I require to go for what?
Reflection.
Based on your requirement, automatically in our mind, oh, this type of prompting already we discussed. Let me write in this style. Let me follow that type, that prompting type, like that clarity you require to have. Okay, that's it, friends. So these are the beautiful things. I hope whether you got or not, I hope clear clarity is there. So this auto COT, next manual COT and reflection, the remaining things will become very easy for you people, believe me. Okay, that's all. Any doubts, please let me know.
No, sir, it's clear.
Clear, right?
Sir, this is 23rd demo
Yes,
video,
sir.
sir.
This one is not 23rd, 36. Someone is telling
36,
36.
sir.
Yes, sir,
Yeah,
36.
Today's session is 36th session.
35 we completed already.
Okay.
Prompting system.
Because I can see till 22nd video in the YouTube.
No, first
Then the title changed as prompt engineering.
Oh, okay.
Prompt engineering
first-
1, 2, 3, 4 like.
Okay.
AA with Durga Sir 22 videos. These are 14 videos.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, right, sir. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet
Sir,
for the
sir,
continuation.
one question, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, so sir, actually last 10-15 days we have learned lots of prompts and regularly learning. So should we have to practice it some or because how to grasp good command on the prompts, like from which any idea on how to practice more on this prompt engineering?
Nothing. Whatever simple examples, whatever we covered, just better to take, and with the small variations you can try.
Maybe we can stick to one domain or one niche. Sir, one niche.
No, not recommended as of now. While learning, better to learn generally, and while applying, better to select one niche, and based on that you can. But learn generally. If tomorrow if you are learning everything with respect to the real estate, tomorrow if you require to work on pharmacy, then it may be the bigger problem. Generic style.
Sir, we are mostly using the prompts for the general questions like whatever we study in last 10 to 15 days. So in coming days, we also do some learning like how to do prompt for the coding, how to talk with coding. Coding related also. Is there any special class for this? No?
Through APIs from the code, we are going to do that. But just aware, get the knowledge on prompting. Okay.
Yes.
General knowledge.
Yeah. It's a general concept.
Yes.
No.
Okay. Thanks, sir. Thank you. So tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Thanks for
Sir, I have one real use case, sir. So I need your help to make a prompts actually. Actually, in my project, we are migrating some Maven to Gradle project. Okay. It is a multi-model project, sir. So now we need to make it as each model as a single services. So what is the best way to write the prompt for the agent mode using ChatGPT Copilot? So it should take care most of the migration work.